Hi everyone, it's Clyde here, and today's video is all about 3 ways to set your kids up for financial success. Number 1 is putting your kids to work at a young age. This is a great way to teach your kids about the value of working in exchange for an income. They'll be working for 30, 40, 50 years when they start reaching working age. And so by teaching them this concept at a young age, it will benefit them immensely as they get older. And certain things that you can do, practical ideas would be obviously household chores, emptying the dishwasher and drying the dishes or whatever it is that you can get them to do, and reward them financially. By rewarding them financially, it's a great and tell them, tell your kids that they can spend the money on whatever it is that they want. A good thing about this is that you can subtly teach them about the value of something. So if your kids want to go out and buy a lolly or something like that, so you can subtly tell them, you've worked extremely hard to earn this money. Do you really want to buy it? Do you really want to spend it on a lolly, or do you want to spend it on something a little bit more exciting than that? So it's a great way to teach them about the value of things as well. So that's the first thing, is get them to work at a young age. The second way is pocket money. You see, this is a great concept to teach children about the importance of saving. One of the things that I'll be doing for my son as he gets older is obviously giving him some pocket money, but on one condition, is that he needs to provide me with a book report. And I'll be giving him some books to read on, all relating to to financial literacy. And if he provides me with the book report, fantastic, he'll get his pocket money. Because I want to teach him about budgeting, I want to teach him about the importance of reading and also the importance of financial concepts. Great thing about pocket money is that it teaches kids about delayed gratification versus instant gratification. If they have to save for whatever it is that they want to buy, fantastic way for to teach them about delayed gratification, which is something, unfortunately, that a lot of people now, especially children, can't appreciate. Is they want everything now. So that's the second way is pocket money. And finally, the third way is teach your kids about how to be smart consumers. So what do I mean? As your kids get older, obviously they want big ticket items such as a mobile phone, TV, gaming consoles, whatever it is. These big ticket items are things that you'll be able to teach your children about. How to be a smart consumer. So teaching them about doing their research, teaching them about looking around and not buying the first thing that they see and they want. Just giving them, teaching them to be smart consumers, because again, this skill is something that they'll benefit from for the rest of their lives. And especially as an example, a mobile phone, is it better to buy the phone up front, versus going on a plan, and the differences between the cost differences between the two. So again, teaching your kids about these about being a smart consumer will definitely help them as they get older. So they're my 3 ways to set your kids up for financial success. Firstly, number 1, put them to work at a young age. Number 2 is obviously pocket money. And finally, number 3 is teaching them to be smart consumers. That's it for this week. If you have any questions, write them down below in the comment section, and I will get back to you. And remember, finally, I'm dedicated to helping you take actionable steps today for a better financial tomorrow. See you next time. Bye.